Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the JEE Main last paper, basically 28th January Shift 2 paper analysis. So with this, we have our mathematics expert with us. Sir, can you please tell your name?
Rakesh Kumar.
Okay, sir, can you please?
Shaker.
Okay. So, sir, if I ask you, how was the paper?
The paper is not easy, this SIPT, and the moderate paper, and
Okay.
the scoring above 20 is challenging.
Okay. So, sir, if I ask you, did it follow the trend or something new was there in this paper?
I didn't find any particular trend. Okay, the paper has covered most of the major chapters.
Okay. With this, now let's start with our paper analysis for of memory-based questions. So, talking about question number
Yeah,
one, how was it?
yeah, is doable. The is asking the coefficient of x to the power 499 and x to the power 500, and this series is given. Some of the series is given and are in geometric progressions, so it's doable.
Okay. Then talking about question number second.
The second is very known and popular rearrangement. The summation is given, and this rearrangement is very popular and given in all the booklet. And we write the RR term in the difference of two terms, then put the summations, then successive cancellation will start.
Okay. And then talking about question number third.
Question number 3, it is on sequences and series. Okay, here we have a GP. Okay, and we have to find the sum of the GP. So I will consider this as an easy question.
Okay. And then question number fourth, sir.
Fourth one, it is a bit lengthy question. Here we have to break the intervals and the student has to do the calculations very carefully.
Okay. And then we have question number fifth with us.
Question number fifth, the inverse trigonometric functions and easy questions. Sine inverse is given. We will write that in terms of tan inverse, and cos inverse we will write the in tan inverse. Then we apply the tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. It's not a difficult question.
Okay. And then talking about question number sixth.
Question number 6 is also the very known rearrangement. The standard equation of parabola is given, and the triangle ABC is uh, inscribed in the parabola. A is at 0, 0, and B and C lies on the parabola, and their centroid is given. Means we will consider the coordinates of B and C is the T1 and T2 point, and then we will eliminate T1 plus T2 will come, and then asking the distance between BC. The distance formula we will apply, and then a result will come. Centroid is given, then T1 and T2 two relations will come. Using that relations, the distance between BC will come.
Okay. Then with this, we have question number seventh with us.
Question number 7, it is a question on matrices. Okay, it looks very difficult, but it is not so difficult. A little bit calculation is required. You have to find the pattern.
Yes.
So I think a good student can do this.
Okay, doable.
Doable.
Yes. Okay. Then we have question number eight with us.
Question number 8, it is a question on complex numbers. I think this question, the JEE Mains, they went beyond the syllabus. Here we have to do this question geometrically. I think this is not a difficult one.
Okay. And then talking about question number ninth.
Question number 9 in arithmetic. Question is miscellaneous kind of questions. Arithmetic mean is given, and increasing AP, and the both roots of the quadratic equations lie between. The interval is given. The location of roots and the relations between arithmetic mean and two increasing APs. One increasing AP is given, and an arithmetic mean of two numbers, one by A, one by B is given. So question is number of steps will come, right? So here steps will come. We can't minimize the number of steps.
Okay. And with this, we have next question, which is question number 10th.
Easy questions is the based on the definitions only. The signum functions is given. The functions f of x is the sum of four functions, and all are the signum functions. Their preimage is trigonometric functions, and saying x is not the multiple of n. X is not multiple of n pi by 2. So
Okay.
easy one. Signum function only we have to follow the definitions.
Okay. Then with this, we have question number 11th with us.
11th question, there are two statements here. Statement 1 is based on a standard result, x power n plus y power n is divisible by x plus y when n is odd. And statement 2, okay, this is a familiar question. The students who were preparing seriously might have done this question before.
Okay, okay. So with this, then we have question number 12th with
12th
us.
also a familiar question. This is a question based on linear differential equation. This is a doable.
Okay, and then talking about question number 13, sir.
The 13 question, the two parts, the statement 1 and statement 2. The first statement is already known questions. Very long year back came in IIT JEE asking the function is 1 1. The rational functions, the ratio of two polynomials, and both are the linear polynomial. So easily we will plot the graph, easily we can observe it, the function is 1 1. And the second part is the ratio of two polynomials, and both are the quadratic polynomials. Interesting thing, the denominator is never 0, right? Discriminant is negative and leading coefficient is positive. If we will make the graph of the function, then we will find derivative is 0 coming 2 times, means graph will return back, and domain of the function is real number, so it's many one. So both statements are correct.
Okay, then we have question number 14th with us.
Very, very good question. This is the idea is very old, very long year back. This idea came in IIT JEE. Now the format has been changed. Here is theta approaches to 0, and the term is x to the power 2 by theta. So x to the power 2 by theta, we can write x square to the power 1 by theta. Theta approaches to 0, then 1 by theta will approaches to infinite. Then we will consider the three cases. X square is less than 1, x square is greater than 1, and x square is exactly 1. Then then after that we will rewrite the functions, then we can check the continuity. So the question is conceptual. Idea is this idea is very old idea, but format is new. If the earlier idea, this is the that's why I suggest to every student must attempt all the P by Q questions, because their idea, okay, is repeating. JEE Main is also repeating the old ideas.
Okay, okay. Then we have next question 15th with us.
15th question, it is a tricky one. Here they haven't given the standard conic, standard ellipse or standard hyperbola. Here they have given the conjugate hyperbola. If the student remembers the formula, he can do that. I suppose most of the students have left this question.
Okay, and then we have question number 16th with us.
Question number 16, that is a very fundamental one. I think most of the students can do this. It is absolutely doable.
Okay, okay. Then talking about the last question, question 17th.
Question number 17th, it is a question on probability. It is doable, but here the calculation is a bit lengthy. So I think it is bit lengthy,
Okay, okay, but doable.
but doable.
Okay. With this, students, we were having these 17 questions with us as of now. So, sir, one suggestion that you want to give to your students who are going to appear for session 2 or JEE Advanced?
JEE Advanced. Here, if you look at the questions, okay, if you look at the questions of this mains, January mains, most of the questions are on par with the advanced questions.
Yes.
Most of the questions are on par with the advanced questions, and here in these papers, the strategy should be, okay, I would say the student should stay calm and composed. Okay, only then he can attempt a majority questions.
Okay.
If he gets panicked, okay, he will make a mess out of this paper.
Yes, absolutely. With this, one suggestion from your end?
For the JEE Advanced exam.
Yes.
Okay, for the JEE Advanced exam, every student need to complete all the questions, all the PYQ questions of JEE Advanced. That is the essential. It's very, very essential part. Now the Narayana is conducting very good quality of questions. That is called GTA.
Okay.
Grand Test Advance, right? That GTA papers, write the papers very sincerely and take very sincerely participate in the paper discussions.
Yes.
Okay, and do the research work on that paper and collect all the questions. My suggestion is one attempt all the PY question of IIT JEE Advance, and one if it is possible, then collect the PYQ questions of Narayana also.
Okay, okay.
That is the PYQ.
Yes.
That label is more better than
Yes.
right. So that both the PYQ, Narayana PYQ and IIT JEE PYQ need to attempt it.
Okay, okay. With this, students, now I hope that this must be helpful for you. And if in case you want detailed paper analysis, detailed solution, you can surely watch the video on the YouTube channel, the Narayana Group. Okay, with this, now let's move to our next subject, that is physics. With this, now let's start with our physics section. Sir, can you please tell your name first?
This is Sunil Sharma. I have been teaching since last 19 years.
Okay, sir, can you please tell your...
Hi, I'm Abhishek Chaudhary and teaching for last 25 years.
Okay, great. So, our experts, can you tell that, okay, how was the paper?
I think paper is moderate only, and you can say the questions are similar to whatever questions we have seen in previous shifts. And hardly any question I find which is difficult out of the box or any new concept they have asked.
Okay, okay. So, with this, so, sir, can we say that paper was with the trend or something was that like...
No, it is, ma'am, at par exactly JEE Main's trend. But what I must say, there are many little calculation error might happen.
Okay,
They
okay.
have set it very smartly.
Okay.
If you are going with the flow, maybe plus minus calculation error might be there. That can cut the marks.
Okay, okay. So with this, we can say that this paper was easy or moderate or difficult?
Moderate paper, we can say easy to moderate. We can
Yes.
say easy to moderate. Right. Difficult it is not at all.
Okay, okay, okay. So with this, now let's move to our paper analysis, which is memory based only. So, sir, talking about question number first. So,
Question number 1 is a basic logic gate question. We generally teaches, every teacher generally teaches this idea that how to realize a AND gate. So this is the basic realization of AND gate.
okay,
Easy
okay.
question.
Yeah. And what about question second?
Question second, student can get confused, but if you are reading reading the options properly, you can get to the answer very quickly. So it's just asking which of the following quantity cannot be measured, and we know by the definition of voltage, it cannot be measured. Voltage difference can be measured.
Yes, yes. So I think just a 10-second question.
Yes. 10-second question.
Yeah. With this, now we have question number third with us.
Question number third is from optics. So here they are asking the distance of image from the lens. This is pretty standard question. You have to use lens maker formula and then lens formula.
Yes. Okay. And then we have question number fourth with us.
Question number 4 is again a very easy question from LLM, and little bit of kinematics is involved here. But the ideas are very easy. Students definitely can do this.
Yes. And with this, talking about question number fifth.
Question number 5 is something in which student can get puzzled because they are changing the direction of the position vector, and they are asking which of the physical quantity will remain unaffected. So at first we also thought how this question is going to, how they are asking this question, all the quantities are going to change their direction. But if we look at the definition of torque, it is defined by r vector cross force vector. Both are changing direction, so overall the torque direction is not changed.
Yes. Okay. Then with this, we have question number sixth with us.
Question 6 is again a very easy question, just like the other type of question given in JEE Mains. It's asking ratio of radiuses of two nucleus. So basic standard pretty question.
Okay. And then talking about question number seventh, sir.
Question 7 is from rotation. They are asking the kinetic energy of disk after some time when the mass is falling some distance. So this kind of question students have seen a lot of time in their preparation. So definitely they can do it.
Yes. Okay. With this, next one, question number eighth.
A student who is well versed with the definitions and ideas can definitely get what is the least count of the caliper just by looking at the question.
Yes.
So it's hardly 10-second question.
Yes, and it's a kind of theoretical also.
Theoretical also,
Yes,
yes.
yes. Okay, then we have question number ninth with us.
Question number 9 is little good question. है ना? This is one of the question in this paper that I can say it's on the difficult side compared to other. So they are asking the mu range. So student get confused that how to give the range of mu. But as you calculate the mu value, refractive index of the prism, you will definitely get the idea that option second can only be the best option.
Okay, okay. With this, we have next question number 10th with us.
Question 10 is again basic standard question from YDSC. So here they are asking which minimas of the two wavelength will coincide. So this is again a very standard question of YDSC.
Yes. And then we have question number 11th with us.
11th question is routine formula based. dN by dt, power of source divided by energy of one photon. Every data is given, just do the calculation right.
Yes. Okay, then with this we have question number 12th with us.
12th also, 2 pi under root m by k error is required, everything is given, but one mistake some students might come if they are calculating time period like for one oscillation. Then you might have some mistake. You have to take total time in this. That's
Yeah.
it. Simple calculation.
Yes. Okay, with this, we have question number 13th with us.
13th, I guess it's a routine question, can be solved by various ways. Current division, potential division, Kirchhoff's law. Just A and B separate potential you calculate either by current or potential division and then take the difference.
Yes. Okay, then we have question number 14th with us.
14th is dimension analysis, like dimension you have to know. And few quantities are like very routine quantities like pressure, work. And the good part in 14th is even if you're solving the first, you don't need to solve other three.
Yes.
Only one option
Okay.
is matching.
Okay, okay. So then obviously they can just calculate it for one. Or pressure and work are those quantities for which student always knows the
Always know
dimensional
the
formulas.
dimension,
Yes.
right.
Okay, with this, then we have question number 15th with us.
In 15th, you have to know the formula of mean free path in terms of pressure and temperature. And if you don't remember that, then you need to know how to convert that. If that is okay, and these kind of questions have come a lot of time in PYQs. So if this formula kids are aware, it's a very routine question, simple question.
Yes. And with this, next question, 16th.
Simple beats question. What happens with the like number of beats is this, frequency of tuning fork, find the frequency. Just difference you have to take, difference, waxing, waning, these routine ideas they have to have, and this question can be solved.
Yes. And with this, we have question number 17th with us.
17th is if someone is aware of the concept of reduced mass, like this is solved by reduced mass. This kind of questions kids are memorizing as a formula also. 2 pi under root mu by k is the time period and all. So if m1 m2 upon m1 plus m2 that is in your mind, it's again a formula based question.
Yes. Okay, then we have question number 18th
I
with
must
us.
say it's a trick one.
Okay.
Trick one. While solving all 75 questions, that questions might come as like so all questions you're solving, and this question might have calculation error. Like you have to know, we have to do plus or minus in this, but it's good
Okay.
like 399 is not given as an option. So just putting the values, you can get the answer.
Okay, okay. Then we have question number 19th with us.
Easiest of the paper.
Yes.
Easiest of the paper. Just do the work done, area take, and you're done with it.
Yes. And with this, we have our last question, 20th.
20th is, I must say, it is conceptual also. You need to know the concept like C equal to E cross B, or where is wave propagating Z axis, phase must be same, direction has to be perpendicular. So if Z axis is C and electric field is on X axis, I cap, so you will take magnetic field on Y axis. So you will go with J cap, and just these fundamentals you know, then this question you can score with.
Yes. Okay. So with this, students, we were having these 20 questions in our bucket, and all these are memory based. So there might be some discrepancy also. But along with that, if in case you want to get a detailed solution, so that is available on our YouTube channel, the Narayana Group. But before that, sir, can you give one suggestion for the students who are going to appear for session 2?
I must say, go with the formula first and learn the application. You have to understand it is different from IT Advance. Here, you have to do formula application rather than concept application. If formula application you are good, and in every discussion I'm saying, go with proper units. See what units are given. One quantity might be in some different unit, some other might be in some different unit. There some error can be there, and this you must not do. So I would suggest go with the formula application. Know all the routine formula. You should not be forgetting anything in the exam. Your second shift will be very, very good.
Yes. Okay. With this, one suggestion for our students.
I can say that apart from as an add-on to what Abhishek sir has suggested, that physics paper is asking questions from every corner of the topic.
Yes.
So you cannot leave any topic. You have to cover a full subject.
Correct.
And all the questions they are asking are very basic, very standard formula-based question.
Yes.
So just cover all the syllabus, and definitely you can score full marks in physics.
Yes, yes. It's all the questions we believe that, okay, these are from kind of board level.
Kind of board level, yes,
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 yes. Okay, with this, thank you so much, our experts. So, now let's move to our chemistry section. With this, now let's start with our chemistry section. We have Neha ma'am with us and Gurucharan sir with us. So, ma'am, how was the paper?
Paper is again the similar way that expected by just looking at the question, it may appear simple, but it is not that simple. Once
Okay.
you start solving, it is tougher, it requires calculation, it requires concepts. Same way, so-called single correct are actually multi-correct questions. So this time NTA has really, it seems that they have got really angered by the last years and they have taken the entire badla with students.
Yes, entire revenge has been taken.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. And sir, if I ask you that, was there something which was new for students or did it follow the trend?
No, it is basically from NCRT only, and most of the concept we have covered in GTMs. Exact same question came which we have conducted in GTM examination,
Okay.
and student will get an edge because of that. And obviously the calculations are lengthy, so student has to work on the calculation part actually.
Okay. If our chemistry experts are saying calculations are lengthy, then students think about maths and physics.
The,
Yeah.
the students are actually in a very high pressure.
Yes.
So when they have to deal with these kind of lengthy calculations, no, so there is a chance of doing mistakes.
Mistakes.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Okay. With this, now let's start with our paper analysis, which is memory based itself. So, if in case we talk about question number first. Yes, sir.
The question number first is from physical chemistry part, and basically is a very simple question, and the direct Arrhenius equation is there. So it's very simple question. It will take only 1 or 2 minutes for a student to solve.
Okay, okay. And then talking about question number second.
Question number second is also a simple question, but yeah, again, the energies they have asked and they have given wavelengths, frequency, wave number. The student has to convert everything into a single format and make sure the unit should be correct. So under tremendous pressure, there might be chances for students, to make mistake in this paper, in this particular question. The question is doable, but
Okay.
it require effort.
Yes. So conversion of units is very important. Obviously, one system that we have to follow. Okay. With this, then we have question number third with us.
The question number third again it came from halogen chapters, like, and basically an application of hydrogen bonding is involved in that. The student has to remember the boiling point and melting point trend. So a database question. The
Okay.
student who knows the actual melting and boiling point would have done that question in 1 minute.
Okay, okay. And then talking about question number fourth.
The question number 4 is from the equilibrium chapter, that is physical chemistry. The question is simple, but calculations are very lengthy.
Okay, okay.
And if a student miss some calculation part or made a mistake, there's high probability of a student to make mistake in this. So it take time to do that question.
And I think if in case students are confused with these sort of things, then they should better skip it only rather than spending time more.
That's what the main thing is. This same model question has been covered in the GTM part.
Okay, okay.
So
Practice.
confusion is not there, but calculation is
Yes,
lengthy.
yes. Okay, okay. Yeah, so obviously if in case they have time, they should do it.
Exactly.
Yes.
Do
Okay.
they have time?
That I think better mathematics expert can tell. Okay. With this, then we have question number fifth with us.
The question number 5th again is from inorganic chemistry part, periodic properties. It's a very simple question, takes 40 seconds or 50 seconds to do.
Okay.
Not a big deal.
Okay. And talking about question number sixth.
Question number 6 is again from inorganic chemistry, chemical bonding is the name of the chapter. And the question is easy, doable, same format and same compounds we have given in GTMs.
Okay,
So
okay.
they have done it. They have done
Okay.
nicely.
Then I think they would be able to do it
Exactly.
in very less time. Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay. With this, then we have question number seventh with us.
Question number 7 is again from estimation of organic compound, but it requires calculation. As in the morning shift also we discussed, it appears to be direct. It is direct in fact, but need to be precise with calculations. That is a lengthy or I would say tedious calculation is there.
Okay, okay. And talking about question number eight.
Question number 8 is again similar reactions which have been asked in earlier shift, important reactions, but a student can do error if they do not focus on first and fourth comparative difference, count the carbons well. It is about keeping calm and do, then you can do it.
Yes. Okay. With this, then talking about question number ninth.
Question number 9 is again coordination complexes question. As in the morning also diamagnetic paramagnetism has been asked.
Yes.
But it was particularly this third complex was there in the morning shift.
Yes.
Fourth were in the earlier shift. So these are usually standard. they have to keep in memory strong feel, weak feel, like, and can do it.
Yeah.
It is doable.
Doable.
Yeah.
Okay.
The same example is in NCRT.
Certainly.
Okay, so NCRT, yes,
But
ma'am has also mentioned so many
every
times
time we have
NCRT.
said.
Yes. Okay, with this, then talking about question number 10th, ma'am.
Question number 10 is again, it appears to be like single correct, but definitely they have to deal with 4 options, find the
Yes.
correct combination. So, slightly time taking.
Time
It will be like 30-second, 40-second question. They cannot just go directly. Can do errors if they go directly without
Okay.
having that analysis of the entire set perfectly.
Okay, okay. And then talking about question number 11.
Oh, question number 11, I would suggest if anyone has any less confidence regarding organic, better to leave it. Because this is a question that even after investing enough time can still land up to wrong option. See, all the 4 reactions, so many multiple operations of various reagents. Then after comparing, after getting the result, they have to compare acidity also.
Yeah.
So it is like, so it is really, I would grade it like one of the toughest in organic that
And
appeared.
actually, it is involving all the, 3 or
Specific.
4 chapters involved in that.
Okay.
3 or
Yes.
4 chapters.
And
plus
the
carboxylic acid order.
odd. And in the second and third option, these 2 options, MO2O3 and MNOAC,
Exactly.
in pressure, students can again mess this up.
I think students, in that case, you got an answer that better to leave these sort of questions.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, with this, then we have question number 12th with us.
Question number 12, what we got from our students appears to be incorrectly presented. Then it is okay, though the question is not, I would say, exact perfect, but the best answer we can get.
Okay, okay. Yeah, because these are all memory based questions. So
Yes,
something
yes.
might
Some
be incorrect.
things may be here and there.
Yes. Okay, then we have question number 13th with us.
Question number 13 again is multi-concept. Like in mains, before that, the questions were not like that.
Yes.
So 2026 is a turning point for NTA mains, I would say.
Yeah.
Right. So see, again, multi-concept, multi-compounds, IUPAC names they have to place correctly. Hinsberg reagent they should know. Solubility, insolubility, which are the options. Then in the end, after doing this much, correct option to select.
Yeah.
So it appears just easy, but it is not easy.
Okay, then with this, we have question number 14th with us.
Question number 14, sir, will regard it as like, what are they expecting from students? So many concepts. Sir will share some points.
Actually, we have isoelectronic concept, and then again coordination complex precipitation concept is there. How many moles of EgCl is there? Then CFT concept is involved in that. So there are 3 concepts which are there in the particular question. Plus, the question which we got, the language also is not pretty much clear.
Okay.
So
Needs time to
yeah,
analyze.
this question has to be read in with a calm mind for us by a student, so he'll get the correct answer. Otherwise, there's a lot of option. There's a lot of chance that many of the students have left this question because in first go itself, because in hurry, they would not have understand the meaning of the question itself.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, then with this, we have last question with us. Seems to be easy. Rest, sir will tell.
Question number 15 is
Yes.
easy. Atomic structure based question. De Broglie is there.
Yes.
So again, they have used kinetic energy equation. De Broglie. It's doable, and similar model students have done many times. So,
Yes, and in
And
physics
appeared
also.
in
exactly.
In physics also, they do.
Appeared in exam.
Yes.
Also
Exactly.
4 5 shapes had atomic structure.
Yes, so they must, I hope that they must have watched our analysis videos also. And if in case students, you haven't watched it, you can watch it on our the Narayana Group YouTube channel. Okay. So with this students, we were having these 15 questions with us and all these were memory based. Now let's quickly get one suggestions from one suggestion from our experts for your upcoming session 2 exam or JEE advanced exam.
For me, it will be very simple. Improve your calculation part because it's a very time-consuming paper as per to calculation. If the calculation skills are good for a student, so he can save time in that. Moreover, there are certain database questions, so please remember those datas and please focus on NCRT properly.
Yes. I think that thing, NCRT thing, ma'am has told us.
And this is, I think, our 12th
number.
session.
Yes.
And 11 times I have already
Yes.
told you, read NCRT, read NCRT.
Yes.
So that thing from my side is fixed.
Yes.
Second thing is do this questions till end when the calculations are involved.
Yes.
That is very important. Don't invest time and leave in the mid. The
Yes.
choice of question should be very good. What to do, what to leave.
Yes.
Don't do all the question. Select right questions and do them completely. Then only you can score good.
Yes, selection of question is very important for
Yes.
students. Okay, with this students, now we are about to end this session and this series also, and we wish you all the very best for your results or upcoming session 2 or JEE Advanced. So thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.